Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, October 12th. We're going to be looking at another cloudy day today with some rain chances increasing as we go into this evening and tonight, with another cloudy day tomorrow, and then we will eventually start to see some sun breaks as we go into this weekend. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we saw another unseasonably warm day across the region, especially areas across the tidewater that still were able to see temperatures in the mid-80s. Other locations across the mid-Atlantic saw temperatures in the mid-70s. Low temperatures this morning were once again more summer-like than they were fall-like, with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for many locations. Areas across the tidewater failed to get below 70 degrees. We did see widespread rain showers yesterday afternoon and again this morning. Newport News did see the largest amount of rainfall since 8 a.m. yesterday morning, with over almost 2¼ inches of rain. Here at Wallops, we saw some more rain as we had in the late morning hours yesterday, and then this morning we did get a heavy batch of rain, dropping another about approximately ½ inch for a 24-hour total of 0.8 inches. As of 9 a.m., most locations are reporting in the mid to upper 60s, areas across the tidewater in the lower 70s, under cloudy conditions, with some areas reporting light rain or drizzle as of 9 a.m. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing northeasterly winds at the surface. We are currently in a wind advisory, as winds are gusting briefly to 35 miles per hour at times. And at 6,000 feet, those winds are then shifting more westerly, and then they are remaining westerly between 9,000 and 25,000 feet. Remaining around 15 to 25 knots up through 16,000 feet, and then increasing pretty drastically to 33 knots and then 43 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Our freezing level this morning was just below 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we still have that stationary boundary lingering across the area, and that is continuing to give us that onshore flow, as well as those cloudy skies and low ceilings with the patchy drizzle at times that we're currently seeing. High pressure is building strongly across the northeast United States, and that pressure gradient associated with that is what's giving us our breezy winds this morning, and we do anticipate that to continue through at least tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our satellite and radar this morning, we did have a pretty heavy batch of rain move through the Wallops region just after the 6 a.m. hour, and as of now we're not seeing any precipitation in the immediate area, but there is some drizzle in the region that is not really being depicted on the radar, so we are going to be carrying a chance of some drizzle but throughout the day, and then we're going to get some more chances for some lighter showers as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our midday planner today, not expecting much change on that stationary boundary just south of the area. Just going to continue to see chances for some drizzle, and then later today we'll be seeing some chances of some widely scattered shower activity. With that high pressure gradient, we're also going to see those easterly winds continue to be gusty. Same goes for tonight. We're going to see some energy rotating back towards the coast tonight, associated with the low that brought us our all that rain that we saw yesterday morning. And that is going to give us an uptick in our rain chances as we go into tonight with continued low ceilings. Those rain chances will continue as we go into Friday morning, as well as our breezier winds, but we do anticipate those gusty onshore winds to dissipate a bit as we go into Friday afternoon. As we go into Friday afternoon, still going to be seeing a very slight chance of an isolated shower across the area, but those winds should have diminished by then just a bit. Could even see a very brief break in the sun, but otherwise we are just going to be seeing another cloudy day across the Delmarva for our Friday. Taking a look at our Saturday, does look like that disturbance that's given us this cloudy conditions and spotty rain chances is going to be diminished as high pressure starts building across the area. So we should start to see a little bit more sun on Saturday. Still expecting a mostly cloudy day, but not really looking at any rain chances across the area, as high pressure will be building in and turning our flow more southerly, helping to give us a warm-up as well ahead of the next system that's expected to impact the area early Monday. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, not really looking at any chance of precipitation as we go through much of the workday today, but can't rule out some drizzle as we do have persistent low ceilings and that strong onshore flow across the area. We are currently under a wind advisory, like I said, and we do anticipate that to be in effect through at least the end of the workday, if not through late this evening and into tomorrow morning. Ceilings have been briefly at times near the 500-foot level this morning, and we do expect ceilings to mainly be around the 2,000-foot level for much of the day today. Could briefly drop down to 1,000 feet at times, or possibly just below that. As we go into tonight, we do expect ceilings to fall to around 500 feet or possibly lower as we get those additional rain showers moving onshore, and we will see those ceilings remain low as we go through Friday morning. We are expecting the temperatures to not really move a lot today. Temperatures have been around 68 degrees this morning, and they aren't expected to really raise much higher than that due to the onshore flow and persistent cloudiness. So we are not expecting much change in our temperatures, as they will remain in the mid-60s through tonight and into tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our next 3 days here. For Friday, we're going to continue to see cloudy skies. Can't rule out a brief peak of sun, like I had mentioned, but for the most part, it looks like the best bet is just going to be continued overcast conditions. Still going to be looking at slightly breezy winds, especially in the morning, and still going to be looking at those shower chances once again, mainly in the morning time frame. We are going to be looking at a little bit warmer tomorrow with a high of 73. For Friday night, still going to be looking at those cloudy, overcast skies, and it's still going to be a very mild night. Low of 66 is expected. On Saturday, we're going to see those winds shift a little more southerly, and that is going to help clear out skies a bit. So we should see a little bit more sun on Saturday. Rain chances will have been diminished by then, and we're going to see a very warm high again for this time of year, just below 80 degrees at 78. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we're going to still be seeing those unseasonably warm conditions for the next several days. Saturday and Sunday do look to be very nice this weekend, especially for outdoor activities, as winds should be fairly light, and we are going to see just partly to mostly cloudy skies at times, with the temperature around 80 degrees, which is over 10 degrees above average for this time of year. So it's going to be a very nice weekend. Still looking at those very mild morning lows through Monday morning, with lows only reaching the mid-60s, which is very warm for this time of year. And then Monday morning, we're going to have a cold front pass across the area. We can expect some widely scattered shower activity as that cold front passes Monday morning. And then we're going to get some good cold advection behind that cold front as high pressure builds in. And then we're going to be seeing a return of more autumn-like temperatures and conditions, with mostly sunny skies expected for the middle of next week, and highs only reaching in the upper 60s, and our lows back to normal as well, with a much drier air mass in place, with lows expected to be around 50 degrees for Tuesday and Wednesday morning. That'll do it for your weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief, and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a great day.